Even if you don't do Nazbandi, at least don't go and increase the population.
हॉलीवुड को हमने अपने आप को बॉलीवुड कर लिया, अपने को समझ नहीं आता हम लोग ये शब्दों को इस्तेमाल करते हैं। सिनेमा इज़ बेसिकली एंटरटेनमेंट, कहीं रोने वाला होता है, कहीं हंसाने वाला होता है। जो बड़ी बड़ी पार्टीज होते हैं वहाँ पर भी यही गाने चलेंगे। म्यूज़िक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो यूनिवर्सल होती है, जब अच्छी लगती है सबको अच्छी लगती है, कोई अपनाता है कोई छुप के अपनाता है, कोई किसी का एक दूसरे का दर्द देख नहीं सकता।
Absolutely, that's really wonderful.
Hi, this is Bobby Deol.
Hi, this is Sunny Deol.
And you all are watching Bollywood Hungama.
By the end of the day, I think Nazbandi in India, we've had certain, in fact, certain wrong practices that have happened forcibly. But the fact is that considering the sort of population that we have, if people would want to take it voluntarily, it is something which is, in a way, it is good for the country as well. If you want to take it voluntarily.
Yeah, it is definitely good in a way, but it has to be,
person's choice.
Person's choice.
I also believe that people are intelligent enough to know that to achieve things in life, you have to make your country move in the right direction. So you have to control certain things.
Right.
And even if you don't do Nazbandi, at least don't go and increase the population.
Absolutely.
It's not by mistake that you have kids. You know exactly what you're doing. So.
Right. I think it's also the awareness which is maybe missing, that people.
And I think now the awareness is more because they're realizing with so much of overload of so many people in the country, it's a high time we all started thinking about it. And I think the upcoming generation is more is aware of that.
Right. Okay. As a music of the film, it's very massy. You're having some really songs which will cater to the masses like wonderfully well. So what are your thoughts on music, sir?
Well, to me, masses and the other things and all, I don't know. We always use these words like Hollywood को हमने अपने आप को बॉलीवुड कर लिया, अपने को समझ नहीं आता हम लोग ये शब्दों को इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Because end of the day हम लोग entertainer बना रहे हैं, and entertainer means entertainment, and cinema is basically entertainment. कहीं रोने वाला होता है, कहीं हंसाने वाला होता है, और फिर हम उसको बोल देंगे हमने अपना दिमाग छोड़ कर आए हैं। तो मैं आदमी के कहने के अपने अपने अलग चीज़ें होती हैं। बट इस फिल्म में जो हमारे गाने भी हैं, दे आर द गाने जो हाँ, जैसे आपने कहा मासेस हैं, तो मैं तो कहता हूँ जो बड़ी बड़ी पार्टीज होते हैं वहाँ पर भी यही गाने चलेंगे।
बिल्कुल आपसे
है ना, तो बेसिकली इट इज़ अ थिंग। म्यूज़िक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो यूनिवर्सल होती है, जब अच्छी लगती है सबको अच्छी लगती है, कोई अपनाता है कोई छुप के अपनाता है।
बिल्कुल absolutely. Sir, अभी recently this film that has come up, Toilet Ek Prem Katha, and which is obviously to take off on Gadar Ek Prem Katha, and because that film is so huge that it continues to grow as well. Do you feel flattered that title is?
I don't think it's a take off or anything to do.
Not exactly, but only the title.
वो क्या उस वक्त उन्होंने गदर एक प्रेम कथा कर दी, तो आई थिंक उन्होंने सोचा चलो टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा कर ले। क्या है क्या, मैंने फिल्म देखी नहीं तो कान से उसका आगे पीछे क्या है, so I have no idea about that.
Right.
But definitely. The tagline is Ek Prem Katha.
Ek Prem Katha. Okay. And so how you look at Bobby's journey? I've seen so many of his films, and that in theatre, like Badal for that matter. आपकी film आई थी, and there's so many films that have really I think captured the attention of the people, especially in terms of his theatrics, the way he just brought it. I think Badal especially, I personally thought of Bichu was another film which was extremely interesting as well. So how do you look at his journey?
I think he's a good looker, he's a great actor, and it was just himself to start believing in himself, which he has started doing now, and definitely the awareness was more important to the person himself, and what we see now in this film also is a character which I'm so happy the way he's done it and the way he's looking in the film.
Right, absolutely.
It really is gonna make many people, he's gonna win people's heart. And that's what an actor always looks for, scripts and characters where you get to do that, because otherwise you're just simply doing the similar kind of a thing over and over again.
Right. And you guys are doing Yamla Pagla Divana part third.
Yeah,
that's
right.
something that is.
Right.
So what's the latest Nara you guys looking forward with?
Well, I think we went wrong on part 2.
Yeah, we went wrong on part 2, so we're going to go right.
We're trying to work that we don't do the same mistakes again.
Yeah.
Right.
We're being very
part
early.
1 was, I think, really funny. Part 1 was really funny.
Yeah.
ये पंजाब है पंजाब, या पहले गोली मारते हैं, फिर शायद लास्ट से कुछ बात कर ले।
वो अब ये तो बताओ इसने किया क्या था?
पता नहीं।
Part 1 was, we've kept all those ingredients in mind and thought of making a script which is what we are. YPD2 was not what we were. So it didn't connect with people, our fans and audiences.
Right.
But YPD3 we've seen to that, and we just finished the first schedule. It's just started, so it's great fun working with Papa.
Absolutely.
You know, Papa, the energy Papa has, he's my inspiration. I mean, I look at him, he's 82 years old, but that desire and that want to work, to be on set, to be in front of the camera, is one of the. It's just amazing. I mean, he's the best, and working with him is something I'm always looking forward to. And I was hoping that YPD3 would be made faster, but it's being made now, and Bhaiya, me, I mean, it's just fun being on set together, three of us.
Absolutely. So as he's talking right now, we can see that his eyes are moist. Even your eyes are moist as he's talking about your father. You know, I've spoken to him earlier about that, I think, famous speech that he gave at IFA about that, about your father, and that he broke down, and your father broke down as well. And do you remember that? How do you look back at that? Because I think
This
that
is one
moment.
which happened in Scotland, right?
Yeah, and that.
And my father is the best, and he really got emotional. And even now, both your eyes are moist as we're talking. Both your eyes are moist.
I know, that's the way we are. We are basically, we share and we can feel each other's pain and laughter and everything. And I think that's something which is genetic, that's something which has been there. And
We're blessed to be his kids.
yeah, that's the way we are,
Absolutely.
basically.
No, absolutely.
कोई किसी का एक दूसरे का दर्द देख नहीं सकता.
Absolutely. That's really wonderful.